dry. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Caroline. Okay, so today we are getting things done, okay? So my sister's graduation is tomorrow, and she's graduating with her bachelor's from USF. And I'm just so proud of her. I'm so excited. All of it, okay? But anyway, so because my sister's graduation is tomorrow, my mom is flying into town today. I'm so excited. She's not bringing the baby, so I'm a little like, like, who are you without the baby? I don't really care about you. I want to see my brother, but I guess I'll take one of you more than, you know. Oh, okay, I'm done talking. Anyways, guys, so my mom is coming. I'm going to, you know, when your mom comes into town, you need to clean. My house is pretty clean. I cleaned the kitchen this morning at 3 o'clock in the morning, guys. I couldn't sleep. And I'm sitting there like watching shows and stuff. And I'm like, make yourself useful, Caroline. So I snuck downstairs. It took Chad 5 seconds to realize I'm not in the bed. And he was like calling me, where are you? Like, if our house is that big, right? No, but he called me. He's like, what are you doing? I'm like, I'm cleaning the kitchen. I can't sleep. And he's like, okay, come to bed after. I'm like, okay. So anyway, so I cleaned the kitchen this morning. I took out meat to make my pot roast. I'm going to show you guys how I do that. Super, super, super easy, super lazy meal. Like, legit, you can make that with some white rice, and if you want beans, if not, a vegetable, and you're done, okay? Plus it makes your house smell so good. Okay, so I already did that this morning. I'll show you guys that. And then I'm just gonna take you guys through my day. I'm getting my kids ready, doing laundry, just getting things done. I hope that this motivates you to get up and do something in your house. And if you don't want to, that's okay. Just watch me do it. And maybe you'll do it tomorrow. Maybe you'll do it another day. Maybe you won't do it at all. Who cares? I don't care. It's not in my house. Anyways, let's go. I'm gonna stop talking. I'm talking too much.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And
So I have my chuck pot roast. I took it out at 3:50 in the morning. It's still not thawed out all the way, but I'm gonna put it to cook on low for 8 hours, and I feel like it'll be fine. Cause sometimes I do it on high for 4 hours, so same difference. Anyways, so what you need is, this is a super easy recipe. It's my lazy dinner recipe. You need a packet of ranch dressing, the I can't say that, au juice, whatever, gravy mix, a stick of butter, and some pepperoni, because yeah, this is what makes it taste the best. Anyway, so you just put it all in the pot. I'll show you. We're gonna put this bad boy in there.
you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down, and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is.
Okay, and just like that, we will cover it. Don't forget to turn it on.
This moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas. another year went by.
Okay, so I just recorded my candle day haul. Make sure you guys watch that video. It's already posted. But anyways, so I'm gonna get this done, clean this. I need to put all these candles underneath my sink where I normally have it.
Is this time? Is it ever since July? I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I don't.
Okay, guys, so this is my boys' bathroom. I should have a sign that says beware, do not enter, unless you're a nasty little boy. Anyway, guys, I got jokes for days. Anyways, so yeah, this is my boys' bathroom. If you have boys, you feel me, okay? It's like they purposely urinate the floor. I can't wrap my mind around it. I've literally even gone to the point of watching them pee because I'm like, well, maybe I can correct them. Maybe they're doing something wrong. But they just, every time I ask, they're like, Mama, it's because in the middle of the night or in the morning, I can't see her. And they just got excuses for days. So anyways, I'm cleaning their little bathroom because my mom uses their bathroom when she comes. So yeah, that's why I'm cleaning their bathroom, but they are responsible for cleaning their own bathroom every week. So, but mom has to come after them, and you know, I even got to clean the floor here. I mean, come on, there's urine everywhere. It's nasty. But anyways, yeah, I just felt like going on that little rant.
Show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
Okay, this is it done. I'm gonna break it apart now, but it smells so good. And then the rice. Ooh. And then I made garlic bread. And I'll probably make some broccoli.